What a day across the valley. Once again, we had that record heat. And the last time we've seen 90s, 10 and a half months ago, believe it or not, both Grand Forks and Fargo in July, mid-July of last year, we were in the 90s. Felt like a great day to get the top down. Look at these guys out for the nighttime spin, taking the puppy along with them. Thanks, Diane, for the fun upload. Here's a look at a time lapse of the storm. Now, here in Fargo, when we looked off to the east, we saw those clouds percolating up in the sky and the atmosphere for our neighbors off to the east. And it was a little wild out there from time to time with some reports of hail and some reports of thunder, lightning, and some heavy rain as well. Thank you for all your reports. As we head into the evening, those storms have exited our viewing area. Now moving into the Arrowhead of Minnesota, just a couple of them. Speaking of a couple, two distinct towers here captured by Isaac. You see one updraft shaft right here. That's one cumulonimbus tower. Another one paired up right next to it. Very cool, Isaac. Great shot. And then these overshooting top right there, that little pooch or bubble on the top, oftentimes can be a sign of a very strong updraft that's punching up into the stratosphere. And oftentimes storms with the overshooting top can produce some sizable hail. Still 80 as we forecast for the 10 o'clock hour here in Fargo. 81, Moorhead 82, Wahpeton, Roseau 77, and a comfortable 68 in Langdon. Hour-by-hour forecast shows a quiet overnight early, but as we go towards daybreak, out to the west, we'll have a chance for a few thunder showers moving through. As we go through the morning hours, the best chance will be along and south of Interstate 94 of seeing an isolated thunder shower or two. One or two of those may have some hail. Other than that, we're going to have really hit and miss activity across the area, with most of us getting missed. So if you fertilize the lawn and you're waiting for that big drink of water, I would not count on tomorrow's activity for doing that. Now, in our southern neighborhoods and counties, we are going to see another warm day in the 80s, but not mid-90s. A cool front is going to burp some Canadian air down our way, and as it moves through, it'll have isolated thunder shower chances up north. The rest of us will see breezy but warm conditions once again. In Fargo, 62 to start. A few clouds, cannot rule out a mid-morning or late-morning sprinkle. After that, it looks like warm, with winds becoming northwesterly at around 10 to maybe 20 miles per hour at times. Here's a look at your hometown forecast. Notice that the heat of the day will be focused down in our southern and southeastern counties, where it'll be 80 to 85 at 5 in the afternoon, but a much, much cooler day in the Devil's Lake Basin. Beautiful shot here of glassy water by Renita. Thank you so much for uploading all of your photos lately. It's been a joy. Temperatures the next couple of days pretty good, and really I cannot rule out isolated thunderstorms Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or even Friday. So some of us will see a little bit of this thunderstorm action in the heat of the afternoon. The best chance will come as we go through the weekend, Saturday in particular. Saturday night into Sunday, it looks like we could see some more widespread and heavy rainfall from thunderstorm activity as we cool into the mid-70s in a lot of locations. So, Mike, all in all, our weather today was a sizzler, a scorcher on the first meteorological day of summer. Meteorological summer is June, July, and August, and it sure felt summer-like to me.
All right. Thanks so much, Hutch.